ball is dropped from 192 inches above level ground, and after the third bounce it rises to a height of 24 inches. If the height to which the ball rises after each bounce is always the same fraction of the height reached on its previous bounce, what is the fraction? So recognize this first off as a geometric sequence because each bounce is going to be a fraction of the bounce before it, and so that's going to be dealing with geometric. So it's always helpful to draw yourself a picture to help visualize what is happening. And so if we do that, we have here, we're starting at 192 inches, and that height, the height for each bounce is going to be your terms. So term 1 is going to be where it's starting, so starting at 192, the ball is going to go down, it's going to drop, hit the ground, and then bounce back up to the height of whatever term 2 is. It's going to bounce and then go back up again, and that's going to be the height of term 3. Bounce, again, the height is going to be term 4. So it says after the third bounce, it rises to a height of 24 inches. So after the third bounce, if we draw it out as you see here, your third bounce would be actually T4, not T3. Okay, so T1 is 192 is where you're starting. T4 is 24. We're dealing with an geometric sequence. So we're going to be using the geometric sequence formula, where it's going to be Tn equals T1 times r to the n minus 1 power, where Tn is what we're trying to find. So Tn is term 4, which we know to be 24. T1, we said it was 192. R is what we're trying to find, that fraction. And then n is the number of term that we're looking for. And in this case, n is 4. So it's going to be r to the 4 minus 1, or the third power. So we solve this for r. Divide both sides by 192. We get r to the third equals 1/8. So therefore, r would be 1/2.